The main objective of the underhood inspection is to seek out any items that may cause potential mechanical concerns. The mechanic starts with the battery after a visual inspection for corrosion and obvious signs of aging. The mechanic performs a battery load test to determine the battery's condition. Once satisfied with the load test results, the mechanic moves on to the cooling system. The radiator and hoses are inspected for any leaks or signs of road hazard damage. Some leaks may not be easy to spot, so some mechanics will perform a second inspection with the cooling system pressurized. The coolant level is inspected, and using a hydrometer, the mechanic also checks the coolant strength. If the coolant's condition is weak or it is past the service interval, the mechanic notes that replacement is necessary. The mechanic next does a visual inspection of the fuel system connections to ensure there are no leaks, and he also inspects the ignition wires looking for cracks or signs of weakness. The mechanic also looks at the brake master cylinder, the ABS components for leaks. The brake fluid level and condition is also inspected. If the fluid looks discolored or is near service interval, a fluid replacement is recommended. The power steering fluid level is inspected, and the mechanic also checks the pump belt tension along with tensions of the alternator belt and air conditioning compressor belt. If there are any signs of cracking or if the tension is too loose, the mechanic recommends the necessary adjustments or replacements. The timing belt is also an area of concern. If the vehicle is close to the timing belt service interval, then a replacement is required before the vehicle can be sold as a Honda certified used vehicle. The mechanic now focuses on the air conditioning system and visually inspects the condenser looking for signs of corrosion or possible road hazard concerns. The engine is then started and the air conditioner is turned on. The mechanic wants to ensure the system cycles in properly and that there are no visible signs of refrigerant leaking. While the vehicle continues to run, the final underhood component is inspected. The mechanic brings the vehicle up to optimum running coolant temperature to ensure the electric cooling fan functions properly.